Hello children. So today we are going to learn a new poem. It was written by Sarojini Naidu. What was that poem? Coromandel Fishers. Coromandel Fishers. So what are these Coromandel Fishers? Who are these people? You know, first of all, Coromandel, beautiful poem it is, and that too it was written by Sarojini Naidu. You know Sarojini Naidu? So many we have. One by one see. First, Sarojini Naidu. About Sarojini Naidu we can learn. So, she was born in Bengal but settled in Hyderabad. Settled in Hyderabad. She has written more beautiful poems, number of beautiful poems describing Hyderabad only. Describing Hyderabad only. Bangle sellers, Golconda, that is Royal Tombs of Golconda. Now that is about south coastal area, about that people, Coromandel Fishers, that number of beautiful poems she had written. And you know what is the title to her? She is called as Nightingale of India. You know who is Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. She is called as Nightingale of India. She has the title Nightingale of India. Even she has a beautiful collection of poems, that Golden Threshold also we have. Even her house name also we call it. So Golden Threshold. Collection of poems they kept, the Golden Threshold name. So in that one of those poems, Golden Threshold only, that is Coromandel Fishers. Coromandel Fishers. What are these Coromandel Fishers? Who are these people? Coromandel means it is a south coast land. Coromandel means south coast land. Coromandel means south coast land. South coast land. That we call it Coromandel. So that is the sea, Coromandel, south coast land and sea. Okay, ma. So fishers, the people who are living there, who catch the fish. Right? Fishers means who catch the fish, those called. So fishers. So fisher means fisherman, can we write? Fisher means fishers. Fishermen. Fishers means fishermen. Okay, who catch the fish, those people are fishermen, fishers. Okay, Nana. So see this one. Guess what is the little boy is doing there? What is the little boy doing there? Yes, catching the fish. Right? And have you ever seen the fisherman coming with fish? Have you seen that? Yes, everywhere we can see nowadays, and especially Sundays and some other days also we have. Okay. Here Sarojini Naidu gives a clear picture about the life of fisherman. Yes. She has taken a simple point, but she explained very beautiful way. She explained beautiful way. Number of poems you get in the next further classes also about Sarojini Naidu. So now this is also one of her most beautiful poems. So that is Coromandel Fishers. Coromandel Fishers. So who are these people and what about their life? That we can see in this poem. Okay, Nana. So let's see the poem, all of you. It's a time to recite the poem. See this. Rise, brothers, rise, the awakening skies. Pray to the morning lights. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. See that. Rise, brothers, rise. So brothers means here all the other people, that is here fishers, all the other fellow fishers. Okay. Rise, get up, wake up, wake up. The awakening skies. So the skies also woke up. And pray to the morning lights. Yes, night is over. Pray to the morning lights means sunlight came. Yes, pray to God. Yes, we got the daytime. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. So like a child, the wind is in the hands of the night. So total night it made so many sounds. The wind blew, but now it was taking the rest like a child in the mother's hands, mother's lap. Like that the wind is taking the rest. So in the dawn. So now it's a time to go for fishing. So get up, come on, raise. That here one of the fisher is calling the other people. Like that she has given. So rise, brothers, rise. The awakening skies, that is the night time over and morning happen. Pray to the morning lights. Yes, morning sunlight we get. So pray for that and come. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child that has cried all night. So a child cries and in the mom's lap, mother's lap, sleeps. The same way, in the night time it makes a sound and now it is sleeping in the hands of dawn. So that's why no wind much at all. So it's a very suitable time to go for the fishing. So come on, get up, come fast, that they are calling to the fishers. What? Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of tide, for we are the sons of the sea. We are the sons of the sea. See that. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore. So we kept all the nets in the shore, seashore. That means just beside the sea water they keep. No? So yes, from the shore, take all the nets. Then we should go and set our catamarans. Catamarans means what? Catamarans free. Catamarans means here what? So sailing boat we call it. Catamarans means sailing boat. We have triangle shape. Two things we have to balance the boat. That we call it catamarans. What is that, ma? Catamaran. C-A-T-A-M-A-R-A-N-S. Catamarans. Catamarans. C-A-T-A-M-A-R-A-N-S. Catamarans two there are. Catamaran means only one, like this we can take it. So that is nothing but a sailing boat. A sailing boat. Sailing boat, you have idea about this? Yes, you see that one. So two long things we have with the cloth. So catamarans. So take those catamarans. All set our catamarans free. Yes, whatever the sailing boats. Yes, move on. Already you tied. So leave them. Set them free. We can go for sailing. We can go for fishing. To capture the leaping wealth of tide. To capture. Capture means take one's impression, right? So a position. So capture. Capture means you capture the photo. Like this we call it, ma. Capture means what? So take into one's position or control by force. Take into one's position. One's position. One's position or control by force or control by force. So that we call it capture. And leaping. Leaping means jumping. Jumping. Leaping means jumping. So here see that set our, come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of tide. Leaping wealth of tide. Tides means what? Waves. Tide means wave. So we should capture those waves. We should control those with the force that waves, and we should go on. So for we are the sons of the sea, because we are the sons of those that sea. So we can go, nothing will happen. So that they are encouraging them to each of them. Yes, come on, it's a time, morning time happened. It's ready to go for the fishing. So not much wind also. Now it's a suitable time to go for the fishing. Okay, children. So like that they are telling. So see those two lines again, those two stanzas again. Rise, brothers, rise. The awakening skies. Pray to the morning lights. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. So, like the child who cried all night. So, sleeping very pleasantly. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free. Catamarans, sailing boats, free. And then catamarans means we can take sailing boats. Those we can make it free. To capture the leaping wealth of tide, for we are the sons of the sea. So to capture, take the control by force that leaping tide, that is the waves, more force, jumping like that we are getting. But we are the sons of the sea. We are the sons of the sea. So then we can control it, we can go. That here, that poet is telling. And now, no longer delay, let us hasten away. No longer delay, let us hasten away. In the track of the seagull's call, the sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. So, no longer delay, no more late. No longer delay means no more late. And so, let us hasten away. Hasten means hasten. Hasten means somewhat fast, quick. Hasten means quick. So, very fast, you move away. So, that we no longer delay, let us hasten away. So, quickly we should go away. In the track of the seagull's call, in the track of the seagull's call. Seagulls means, yes, birds, gulls, a bird. So, in the seaside, who are the birds? They show our way. So, that seagulls, they are calling. So, that sounds, they are making the sounds. We should go away fast. The sea is our mother. Now, here this is, the sea is our mother. And the clouds are our brother. And the waves are our comrades all. So waves, so the jumping, leaping waves, tides are there, na? But those are our comrades. Comrades means friends. Comrades means friends. Comrades means friends. So they are our friends. So sea is our mother. Sea is our mother. Clouds are our brothers, and comrades means friends. That is, waves are our comrades, our friends. So nothing at all. So what though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives, and sea god drives, he who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. So what? Though we toss at the fall of the sun. So though we toss at the fall of the sun, we set at the fall of the sun, that means in the evening. Fall of the sun means nothing but evening. So what? Though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives. Where the hand of the sea god drives. So in the night time, if we arrange, so what can we do with that? So in the night time, moon it comes. So at that time, how can we go? So the God save us. Even if it is late means God save us. But night time can we do? No. So he who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. So that storms, anything going to happen means hold it and protect us, save us, and keep us in the breast. So that is the heart. So in the heart, the sea god keeps us in the heart and protect us, save us. So we should go now. In the night time, when the moon comes means if anything happen, sea god will save us. So now we set to the work. Okay, ma. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade, and the scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the sands at the full of the moon, with the sound of the voices we love. So sweet is the shade of the coconut glade. Glade means a open place or forest. Glade means that we can write it an open space in wood or forest. In a wood or forest. In the woods or forest, open place is there, na? That we call it glade. That we call it glade. So coconut glade. So here the open place is there. Very pleasant. So sweet is the shade of the coconut glade. So in the coconut glade open place we get completely shade. So very pleasant weather. Yes. And the scent of the mango grew. So mango grew, that is the mangoes we are getting. So from the mango plant and the mangoes also we get very pleasant smell. So the scent means smell. Yes, very sweet it is. And sweet are the sands at the full of the moon. So when the full of the moon is where we get, yes, the sand smell also very sweet, pleasant. With the sound of the voices we love. So at that time we get the sound, that is we love means our beloved, our family members, our, yes, everyone, everything we can enjoy. We feel so pleasure. So with that feeling, sweetest feeling, we can't leave this place, but necessary to go. But sweeter, oh brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Row, brothers, row to the blue of the verge, where the low sky mates with the sea. Where the low sky mates with the sea. But sweeter, so of course, it's very sweetest one, sweeter. Oh brothers, the kiss of the spray. So the smell and that feeling with our family, yes, we can't. So, and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Dance of the wild foam's glee. Glee means great delight. Glee means, here I am writing ma, glee means great. Glee means great delight. Feel very happy. More happy we can call it glee. So, great delight. Glee, great delight it is. So, and the dance of the wild foam's glee, dance of the wild foam's delight, great delight, especially when we have the good fortune or others' misfortune. Yes, of course, anything good thing to us means some people they fail. Suppose if we get the first rank means others miss the first rank, na? Right? This is the fortune to us, but that is the misfortune to them. Right? So, like this. So, row, brothers, row to the blue of the verge. Row to the, yes, set to the blue of the verge. Verge means end. So, there, from here if we see generally, verge means end. So, from the seashore if we see, the sea, what happens? The sky and the clouds and the sea touch one place, na? So, yes, that is called verge, end. So, row the blue of the verge where the low sky mates with the sea. Low sky mates, sky mates, friends. So that is down and touch the sea. Both sea and sky became friends. And there they are touching. So we can go. That means generally can touch. Any ending is there? No. But when we look from here, maybe touched. But can we? The same way here, when we go for the fishing, never ending at all. So continuously go on till how much we needed, till we get it. Whatever we required, till we get it, we should go on, never ending. Because can we find the ending for the seas? No, continuously it is come. It is flowing continuously. Na? So that's why. So where we can look, where the sky and sea touched. So up to that we should go. But while going on, can we see the end? Far away only we can see. But anywhere can we find where it touched? Not at all. So then it's becoming late. So we should go and we should do the work. So at home or to leave our family members and all these to go means it's a little bit difficult. But the sea is our mother. Clouds are our brothers. And the waves are our friends. So we should go and should get the, we should go for the work. So that the work of the fishers, The poetess Sarojini Naidu explained very beautifully in this poem. What is that? Coromandel Fishers. Coromandel Fishers. So see the poem once again, Nana. Rise, brothers, rise. The awakening skies. Pray to the morning lights. Pray to the morning lights. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. Like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free, and to capture the leaping wealth of tide, for we are the sons of the sea. No longer delay. Let us hasten away, fast, quick, in the track of the seagulls call, the beautiful birds. The sea is our mother, the clouds are our brother, cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives, he who holds the storm by the air will hide in his breast our leaves. Will hide in his breast our leaves. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade, and the scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the sands at the full of moon. With the sound of the voices we love, but sweeter, oh brother, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Row, brothers, row to the blue of the verge. So set to the blue of the verge end, where the low sky meets with the sea. So where the sky and sea met, so became friends, touch each other. Then we should go. Set for that. Get up, come out and set the catamarans, sailing boats. Right, children? Understood this poem? So very beautifully how the fishers, they have very hurry work, very fast they do when the sunrise happened. Okay, ma? So see the poem 2 to 3 times, and then you can see the rhyming words also in the next. Okay, children? Read the poem. Hello children, have you read the poem? Read that poem 2 to 3 times, then only we can do the grammar answers. Okay, ma? Have you read it? Very good. Who didn't read? Read that poem first. Now see the comprehension part. What do we have the comprehension part first? Time to answer. What can we answer? Answer the following questions. So they have given some questions, hardly 5 questions. We should answer them. What are those? See the first question, what do we have? At what time of the day do the fishermen go out to the sea? So open the notes, all of you write the question answers. What is that? First question, at what time of the day? First question, at what time of the day at what time of the day do the fishermen go out to the sea? So they are going to the sea for fishing, so that waves or anything may happen, but still they go. At what time? Yes, morning dawn time na. So after the sunrise, right? Write the answer. The fisherman go out to the sea, in the morning. Go out to the sea in the early morning. In the early morning. In the early morning. So early morning immediately they go na. Yes. So the fishermen go out to the sea in the early morning. In the early morning. Okay, ma. So see the question. At what time do they go? In the early morning. Okay. Next, see the second question, Nana. Do the fishermen of Coromandel love the sea? Do they love sea or not? Yes. Pick out few lines in support of your answer. Yes. The sea is our mother, clouds are our brother, right? Like this we have, na? Yes. Write the question fast. Do the fishermen of Coromandel love the sea? Love the sea. Pick out a few lines. Pick out few lines. Pick out a few lines in support of your answer. In support of your answer. So what are those lines we can write? Yes, write the answer. Yes. So do the fishermen love the Coromandel love the sea? Yes. Yes. The fishermen of Coromandel love the sea. So how? We give the answer. The lines, what do we have? The sea is our mother. The sea is our mother. The cloud is our brother. The sea is our mother. The cloud is our brother. The cloud is our brother. The waves are our comrades all. The waves are our comrades all. So these lines show that the fishermen love the sea. The lines show that the fishermen love the sea. Love the sea. So see that, Nana? Do the fishermen of Coromandel love the sea? Yes, they love the sea. How? Pick out the few lines. Pick out few lines in support of your answer they asked. What are those lines from the poem? Yes, those are the lines. The sea is our mother. The cloud is our brother. The waves are our comrades all. So these lines are showing show that the fishermen love the sea. So these lines are showing the fishermen love the sea. Okay, Nana. So write this one. And see the next one, third one, what do we have? Does the poet suggest? Third one, what? Does the poet suggest? What the poet suggests? What is that? A option, joy and excitement. Joy and excitement. Joy and excitement. And another one, what? Courage and struggle. Courage and struggle. Yes, what the poet suggests here. See this? Yes, they have very good joy and excitement. Yeah, they have. At the same time, to go to the sea in that big waves also. Yes, God should save their life. Na? So keep in the heart of the God. They felt. So courage and struggle both also explain. Right. So what the poet suggests here? There is both you write down. Both the poet suggests. Both the poet suggests. Okay, Nana. So write the answer for this both. So if you want answer, you can write both. You can write it. Okay, ma. See the fourth question.